There are 3 A's to public speaking. Let's see that one by one. Are we all ready?
Yes.
What is the first A of public speaking? The first A is authenticity. Authenticity എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? Being real, being true.
The object that you have to sell is school with no teachers. Okay?
So this used to be a royal artifact, but the last royalty used it was Princess Diana.
Wow.
And as we all know, Michael Jackson has written a famous song about Princess Diana. And when she got to know that the song was being written, she gifted